On the set of axes below, graph the equation 3y plus 2x equals 15. All right. Usually, you get something that is in the form of y equals mx plus b, which is slope-intercept form. All right. You can take this if you're good at manipulating equations. You can take this equation that they give you, 3y plus 2x equals 15, and you can convert it into this form. However, if you want to move a little faster and you want to graph this in a way that is still correct, you can do the following. All right? You're going to get the x-intercept, meaning that you see how you have the x-axis? You're going to find a point that goes on the x-axis. And then you're going to get the y-intercept. Okay? This is how we find it. We're going to take this constant, which is 15, and we're going to divide it by the number in front of the x to get the x-intercept. That's the coefficient of x. All right? So 15 divided by 2 gives us what? 7.5. 7.5. All right? Now I'm going to go along the x-axis and I'm going to find 7.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You don't have to make those lines. This is just what I'm doing so you can see. All right? 7.5 would be right in the middle, between 7 and 8. So far, so good?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I want the y-intercept. So I'm going to do the same thing, except now I'm going to do 15 divided by the coefficient of y. All right? So now I'm going to do 15 divided by 3. What does that give us? Everybody should get 5.
Yeah.
Everybody have 5? 15? Am I moving too fast?
No.
Okay. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. So I'm going to go along. This is the y-intercept. I'm going to go along the y-axis. I'm going to find 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do you think I'm going to make at that fifth hash mark? I'll make a dot or a point. Right? Now we have 2 points. Do we need any more points to make a line?
Yes. No.
No, not at all. So what should I do with these 2 points?
Connect them.
Connect them. All right? I'm going to try to make this straight without a ruler. All right? And it really shouldn't go, to be honest, it shouldn't go off the graph. So let me just make my arrow here. All right? Of course, you guys have rulers, so your line will be a lot more straight than mine. And then what do I have to do in order to make sure that everyone knows that this is the graph of this equation? There you go. Put the equation next to the line. So I'm going to label it 3y plus what?
2x equals 15.
2x equals 15. All right? And that finishes off. All right? So that would be the final answer for that. So explain why negative 6, 9 is a solution to the equation. Okay. So let's go back here. Let's find negative 6, 9. I'm going to go, what direction should I go in first? From 0. Yes, correct. To the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to 9. Okay, so that means I go what? Up, down, left, right. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right? So they want to know, is this line going to come across this point? Now, I didn't use a ruler. All right? On your graph, does it cross?
What cross?
Does this line, so if I go straight up here, does it end up crossing through that point?
Yeah.
It should. All right? Here's how we can know for sure. This is the equation, right? 3y plus 2x equals 15. That's the one they give us. What is the point that they want us to check for?
Negative 6 and 9.
Negative 6, 9. Okay. So that means, if I put negative 6, 9 over here, just as a reminder, 3y. Instead of y, what would I put?
Negative 6, 9.
Which one though? This is x, this is
Y.
This is y. So I'm going to put 9 plus 2 Instead of x, what am I gonna put?
-6.
-6. And then I'm gonna write equals
15.
15. So we have to decide. Put this in your calculator. If you get 15 as an answer, then yes, it's in the solution. Everybody got 15? All right, so then that means this is true. All right, so that means if we go down, can I erase this part?
Yeah.
To write the next answer? So that means that, yes, because the line
Crosses.
travels through the point -6, 9. All right, and that's good enough.